Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting ready. Enable Bluetooth and keep your phone close within 10 meters so signals register. Open SmartThings, tap Find, and select the smart tag you registered. You want to attempt a live connection now. If the tag shows offline, note the last seen time and location. Use that as your initial search area. Move toward that spot while keeping the app open. Once done, watch the distance indicator and listen for ringing prompts that signal you're closing in. Once you're in the general area, switch to precision tactics. Follow the distance indicator and directional cues in the app and move slowly in short steps so signal changes are clear. When the distance reduces, play the ringtone and systematically check high-probability spots, pockets, couch seams, under furniture, and inside bags. If you still can't find it, make sure SmartThings Find Network is enabled. This requests nearby Galaxy devices to anonymously scan for the tag, vastly increasing your chances to pinpoint a hidden or moved item. When you find the tag, tap Show on Map and use the ring to confirm it's the right device. Then reconnect and test the link so it won't disappear again. If you can't find it, mark the tag as lost in SmartThings to get community alerts and extend the effective search radius. As a final troubleshooting tip, if signals are weak or erratic, replace the coin battery or move to an open area free of interference. Metal, thick walls, or crowded electronics can block detection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.